In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana, how to make a subtask a task, 5 minutes. Converting a subtask into a standalone task is handy when a piece of work grows beyond its original scope or needs to be tracked at the same level as other tasks. I'll walk you through it step by step, then show you how to reverse it if you change your mind. First, open your browser and go to Asana. On the login page, enter your email address, then click Continue. When prompted, enter your password and select Log In. If your workspace uses single sign-on or additional verification, just complete those prompts to land on your Asana home screen. From your home page, navigate to the project that contains the task you're working on. Open that project, locate the main task, and open its details. You can do this by clicking the small details arrow or by selecting the task name to reveal the right-hand details pane. Inside the task details, find the subtask you want to promote. Hover over the subtask row and you'll see a small drag handle, often shown as 3 horizontal lines, the hamburger icon. Click and hold that handle, then drag the subtask out of the subtasks panel and into the main task list area of your project. When you release it in the list, Asana converts it into a full task. You'll see it appear alongside your other tasks. This preserves key information like the task name, assignee, due date, and most activity, so you don't have to recreate anything. If your project uses custom fields, make sure they're visible in this project so the new task aligns with your workflow. If you decide you want to return it to being a subtask, you can. Open the main task's details again, the one you want to attach the subtask to. Then find the task you just created in the project list, click and hold its drag handle, and move it back into the subtasks section of the main task's details pane. Drop it there, and Asana converts it back into a subtask. This is a great way to reorganize without losing context or history. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make sure you have permission to edit tasks in the project. If you can't drag, you may be in a view or board where dragging is restricted. Switch to the list view. And after converting, double-check assignees, due dates, and dependencies to ensure your plan stays accurate. That's it. You now know how to promote a subtask to a task and how to revert it, all with a simple drag and drop.